spinner's done, so I'm gonna go check it out and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Okay, okay, okay. I know a lot of people were concerned when I posted my other video about the electricity being super close to the actual machine and then possibly electrocuting us. So I made sure that it's far away. So the water will only be touching this. It will not be touching the cord of the washer. It will not be touching this extension cord plugged to the wall. So we are fine. For anyone that's concerned, we should be good. A lot of people love this video, so I'm gonna make another one. Excuse the noise in the background. First, I need to find my soap. This is my detergent. I bought this from like a deli. It was like $2, and then I used it. Or I bought it from like a discount store, and then I used it for a detergent. This is where I get this. Make sure it's actually in the washer, and then turn it on and the water will come out. So just so you see it, it's away from the water. You want to make sure that it's filled up. I like to fill it up to the third one. While it's filling up, I will show you the dials. So this is one way to just put the water inside. And then this is the wash time, 0 to 15 minutes. This is basically the condition that you want or need. I'm gonna do normal, but if I was dealing with delicates, I would do soft. And then this is how you drain the water out using this. This drains out all the water. And then this is for the spinner, which is this. The spinner has this inside of it, so you want to make sure that you keep it here and you don't keep it there and put clothes on top of it and then close it, because you need this on top. So I like to keep it here to remind myself, and then fill my clothes in, throw this on top of the clothes, close this, and then close this. And that's it. That's another way to put in water. It's filling up pretty fast. Yeah, that's pretty good. You want it to be able to move. Just turn this one off. Then I like to get the detergent. You can put however much you want. I like to eyeball it. Since I bought majority of these clothes at the thrift store, so let me put my hand in there. Awesome. You don't have to do that. I just like to do that. And close. more water. This is where I'm gonna put the clothes when they're done drying. Okay, the washer just finished, so I'm gonna go check it out and I'm gonna show you how I just literally put it in the spinner for it to dry. Does not touch the wire, the cord. I love doing laundry videos. I think they're fun and calming, and I feel like I've saved a lot of money by having this machine in our home. And instead of going to a laundromat, we don't have a laundry in our building. So this is really nice. This is really, really nice to have and to use. You just need to buy detergent. That's it. So if you're considering, should I buy this? Should I get it? You should definitely make the investment. Make it a little easier on yourself in the future. Just put it in your tub. Be careful with the cords. Make sure you're being safe. Do what you have to do. Some people advise to put it on like pallets or something to kind of keep it up. Other people advise to make sure the drainage system is good, so you don't clog it with whatever comes out of your washing, like the draining section portion. So the spinner's done, so I'm gonna go check it out and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Okay. It's very important that no matter how you decide to wash your clothes in your bathroom or your kitchen or your living room or your shared space with your roommates or by yourself, that you're very, very, very careful. I'm not saying the way that I'm showing you how to wash it is the best way to wash your clothes. Only you can decide. Just be safe. You don't want anything to happen that can cause something horrible to happen. So be safe, be smart. And if you doubt something, trust your gut and maybe check your situation before you start the washing machine, okay? I just want everyone to be safe. I actually enjoy making these videos and I don't want people to be all like coming after me in the comments. I do understand that we all have our preferences when it comes to washing our clothes. I'm just showing you how I do it. Now I'm gonna get the second load out of the spinner and put it on the rack.